Hey, what's up guys? On today's video, we are going to talk about select for multiplexing. So this is the syntax for Go. So we have select and we have like a case. It's like a switch case. So we have this select syntax to dealing with multiplexing. So it's like if we basically listen to multi-channels. So cause like in Go programming language, we sending the data through channel. So we listen to the channel. We listen like more than one channels, and when we receive the signal from channel, and we can deal with the data. So the syntax basically is like this select and case. It's like switch case, and then we have default as well. So let me just show you the general use of the this syntax. And so I have a function called demo here. We have 3 channels. Okay, this is buffer channel. So we have another channel called ready, and we have go routine here. So basically this go routine, it listens to any signal from sending to the channel, and so we can get a log. And when this go routine is ready, and we can send something over there, and we give it a little bit time to log out. So let me just show you the demo here. So for the first one, is like a first case is like a when you have a message or data sent to the channel 1, we will log this. And if we have a message to channel 2, and we will receive the data, and we assign the data to this variable called receive data, and we can log that out as well. And for third case here, and we define some data here. When we run this go routine, and it will run the select case, it will print this because we have data provided. This data will automatically gonna send to this channel. And if none of them are matched, it's gonna print out the default. So this select case, they only run once. Okay, so let me try that out. Let me see if I have gonna run demo. So on here we didn't do anything, so it's gonna print this when we run this function. Let me see. Oh no. As you can see, we have received some data here called hello, and they sent to the channel 3. So if we comment that out, and it will, when we run this self-invoke go routine here, and it's gonna print this because there's no data sent to any of them. So as you can see, we got print out here, no channel operation were ready. So, and if we do it like that, so if we're gonna send the data to channel 1 here, right? So let's see what we're gonna see. As you can see, that's a deadlock. That's tricky one, cause like okay, so we'll go through the channel, got that ready. When the go routine is ready, right? Before we send the data to channel 1 here, that go routine has finished already, because it automatically run here. It automatically run that, and that's gone. When that's finished running, that's like get recycled, and you are sending something to a channel, and that's in the same go routine. That's gonna be, and it's gonna be freezed as well, because that you don't have receiver. You send the data over there, but you don't have receiver, right? And it will cause the deadlock. So if we do it on that way, on this way, we don't want the default to run. So what's going on is this go routine will listen to the data, because it listens to the data from channel 1 and it listens to the data from channel 2. So on here we pass the data to channel 1. So let's do that again. Let's run that again. As you can see, it logged out here the receive signal from channel 1, because this is only receive signal. But on channel 2, it receives signal and it receives data as well. So let's try that with send data to channel 2. Let's see. Can you see here? You can receive data from that is sent to channel 2. So that's the kind of like a grammar. I also want to show you some like a scenario, and the use case in the real project. Okay, so first of all, we can use that to have like a overtime control. So we have a one go routine here, and this is like a this is gonna be run on the main. On the main function is gonna be like another main go routine. So the time control. So this go routine, after it's gonna be sleep 3 seconds, and after 3 seconds, it's gonna send the data. It's gonna send the data to result in order to log that out. But when we call this function, right, this gonna run immediately, and so it said that we will receive a signal from this package after 2 seconds. So this is sent after 3 seconds. This is let's say on that way, this case, it will receive message after 3 seconds. But this second case here, it will receive message in 2 seconds. So this gonna be printed out, and the program gonna be finished, and we were never gonna receive this message. Let's try it out. Can you see that it says that timeout operation took too long, because like it's over 2 seconds. Let's change that to 1 second. So we were able to print that to get the message here. Can you see receive task? So yeah, we can. So we use the select case. We used it here, the time, this package to have the overtime control. That's one scenario. Let me show you another use case called not blocking channel operation. Okay, let's look at this code. We have a let me see, let me just have this function in the main. Okay, so we have a channel here called data channel, and we have a go routine that's going to send some data to data channel after 2 seconds. And we have a for loop. This for loop going to be invoked every seconds, so it will be like for 3 seconds. Okay, so for as this select case, they only run once, so in this case it will run 3 times. So it's gonna be the first time. When you run first time, we don't receive data from channel, so it will go default here. And the second time, it will not receive, go default as well. But on the third loop, we on the third loop, that's the after 2 seconds, and that after 2 seconds, so we send the data to the channel, and it make the loop, and they receive the data, and it can print it out. Let's try that. Can you see on the first 2 attempts, there's not data available because it goes to this to default, but on the third one, it actually received data from Go routine. Okay, so that's another use case, and a third use case is like if we have like multiple workers, and we can shut down gratefully. Let's see here. So we have like that's the one worker is gonna lock when worker starts, and we got select case. Select case, we can have for loop here. It means that we listen to the instead of listen one time, we listen like forever until this function get returned. It's like a while loop. Okay, so while loop here, it will keep printing, keep goes to the default unless we have received something from done this channel. So here, when this worker starts, and they will print out worker starting with worker ID, and this is the worker here working, and after 1 second it make another loop until there's something coming from done, so we were able to tell that worker has finished, and we can return that. So in order to call worker function, we need to have a channel, and we pass in the worker ID, and we pass in the done. So after 3 seconds, we're gonna close channel, and on here it receives the signal, and it will print it out. The worker has shut down. Let's try that. Let's run this function called runner worker. So can you see here on the first couple of seconds, on the first 3 seconds here, we have say worker is working, right? But after 3 seconds, because we close channel, and it receive the signal from channel, say the channel is closed, and it lock this out, the worker is shutting down, and return the function, and that program finished. And this is another scenario for multiple worker, but that is same concept. I'm gonna leave the code here. If you guys interested, you can take a look. Okay, let's move on to another scenario. Let's say this is the easy one. Let's say you want to listen for like a message from multiple channel, we can do it on this way. And for this one, we only listen for one time. So we listen to channel 1 and channel 2 here. And whatever message coming, we're gonna pass that to we're gonna send the data to the channel called merged. So this merged channel that basically received any data from channel 1 or channel 2 for one time. Oh, actually it's it's not for one time because you have a for loop here, right? And we can receive the data, like whatever data passing to channel 2 and channel 1 is like a merge two channel into one channel. So it's called merging multiple channels. That's another use case. And we have a heartbeat monitoring use case here. So let me have a look here. We have a time taker that sleep for 3 seconds. So every 1 second, every second we will receive signal, and that's going to log out until we send message to done here. So we have a channel here done. So we call we have a go routine called heartbeat. So after 3 seconds, we close the channel. Right. So before 3 seconds, within 3 seconds, it would to lock the pin, lock this out, and after 3 seconds, we close channel, and that will receive message that gonna return this function. Okay, let me try that. As you can see, we have ping here, and after 3 seconds, and that function get returned. The function get returned, and the program, log program finished. Okay, we have covered like a bit of a scenario, like a use case for select syntax. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on next video. Bye for now.